Head Harvester Bill Arm from the West Coast. I'm here in Dallas at the Elevate 2023. Look who I found. John Fitzgerald with Landesign up there in Sonoma, California, one of my favorite spots.
We know.
One of my favorite companies, and probably one of the longest tenured client on the Harvest West Coast.
Fellow Cal Poly students.
Fellow Cal Poly.
Yeah, horticulture back in the day. Yeah.
Horticulture. So, John.
Yes, sir.
What's going on up there in the northern timberland up there?
It's great. We're having a lot of work. We've switched our business from 70% construction to 70% maintenance.
So listen to that, folks. Do you hear that?
Big flip.
John is a construction guy we affectionately call Raptors.
Raptor.
So his son's kind of moving the company more into maintenance, which
Big
we
time.
call Labradors.
That's right.
So we got a Raptor.
I didn't wear the right hat today, did I?
No, you should have a Raptor hat.
Yeah.
So you hear that moving more from construction to recurring revenue.
Big
what
time.
What else you been doing?
Oh, drinking a lot of wine and visiting, golfing. I do a lot of golfing.
Yeah, golfing. You and I have been golfing a couple times for fundraisers for our alma mater down there at Cal Poly San Obispo. So you came to the conference here.
Yep.
Have you have any takeaways yet? What any key takeaways?
Big time with Greenworks.
Greenworks.
I don't know if you know them very well.
Tell me about them.
Greenworks, we got a deal from the state where we got some money for going electric, and we bought $20,000 worth of Greenworks equipment, but we're having an issue setting up the shop for power and all that, and our electrician's telling us we got to do this and that.
Oh my.
So they're going to come visit us, Greenworks, and help us set up our whole shop. Yeah.
Oh, good.
So I like that, and some of the seminars are good.
Any takeaways? That opening one this morning was pretty good.
Oh, she's pretty amazing.
The Alibaba.
Holy.
She messed that one up pretty good.
I'm not going to say it the way she said it.
Please don't.
This is X-rated now.
Yeah,
no.
pretty much.
Yeah, so everything's good. We're happy up there. Yeah.
Okay, so let's review here a little bit.
Yes, sir.
So converting construction 70%, 30% maintenance, flipping that. So moving on to 70% maintenance, 30% construction. And hopefully some of that construction is feeding the maintenance. Taking some of the maintenance,
about
some of that
25% of the work
25%.
we flip over, yeah.
So highest close ratio there.
I would say in 2 years we'll be about 85% maintenance.
85.
Yeah.
And then flipping over to the electrical components on the equipment.
California mandates.
The mandates and rebates on
and rebates, yeah. So it's all good stuff for us.
That's good stuff.
Yeah.
All right, well, there you have it. There's a California report update from the left coast. That's my coast.
Come and drink some wine with us.
Harvester Bill for the West Coast. Now go out there and harvest your potential.
Thank you.